Oh, God. I have to fumigate this car. Do you have dogs? Ugh. I'm allergic to dogs, you know. Got dogginess all over you. I can smell it. Oh. Hello. Hi, hon. No, it's okay. Of course it can't, because you can't okay. Okay, what are you trying to import to where? Yes. Now you have to you can't import a file into itself. Okay. Now the date is the 10th, right? You go into pictures when you're importing. What existing file? Oh, you mean the iMovieHD project? Okay. Yeah, file, import. Okay. Now, do you have your image browser on? Okay, look at the file you want through the image browser. So that you know what you're importing. No, you have to look at what file you're importing into your project. Okay, did you name it in the pictures, or did you leave the name alone? Does the file... Okay, you only have the file in the picture, right? You didn't put it in movies. Why did you... Oh, good. Okay, now does it say .avi at the end still? Or does it just have... Okay, that is the name of your project. That is not the name of the file that you are importing into the project. Okay? Go to pictures. Look. Okay, go into the pictures. Okay? Now, do you see the file you want to import? Okay. Now, in the iMovieHD, you click on File. Okay, File, Import. Okay, I guess you don't work the same way that I do. Okay, now, the file that you want to import, did you rename all of the files of the clips, the AVI from the camera, the clips from the camera? What did you rename them or leave them alone? Good. Okay. Now. Okay. Find the one you want to import into your project in pictures. Okay. For first you go import. Yeah. Edit import. Yeah. File import. It has? Okay, when you're in the iMovie HD, do you have the clips to the right? The little squares to the right in your iMovie HD, do you have any pictures in there? Then it hasn't been imported. Nothing's been imported. Okay, start again. Why? You want image browser to see what you're importing. Okay, now put it on pictures. I think it's the 10th of February. The ones that you imported today. Yes. No, you didn't shut down the iMovie HD. It's still there, right? Okay, good. Now, have you found the picture that you want to import? The AVI file. You found it? Okay. Now, here's what you do, is you go into your iMovie HD file import and click on pictures, not movies. Why? You did great with the cemetery one. Yeah. What do you mean it's not letting you do that? No. Now, are you in the iMovie project or are you in the Okay. Click on the window that has the iMovie project. Click on it. On the top it should say iMovie HD on the left in larger letters. Okay. Click on the one you want. Okay, is it in iMovie HD first? Is that what it says on the left, on the top, next to the apple? It should say what program is in front. Okay, what is on the screen in front of you now? What? Okay. Okay, that's the, okay, Autumn Swan MPEG 4, that is the iMovie project. It should have a black, no wait, on the left, on the top, does it say iMovie project or iMovie HD? Good, okay, now you go import, file import. Okay. Yeah, in pictures. You click on pictures first. You go to the date, and it should have a bunch of pictures. Got it? So now it should be importing. Perfect. That's all you have to do. Is there anything else? Okay, wonderful. Good night. Have fun with that. Oh, you got them all coming in at once. Okay. Well, all of them. You clicked on all of them instead of one at a time like I do. Okay. That's fine. So you'll get all of them for all of the projects in that one project, which is what you don't need, but okay. That's why I use the image browser to see which one I want, and I click on only that one. The only thing is okay. Talk to you later. Bye. You're welcome. Feckwick.
Feckwick. Feckwick. Feckwick. Feckwick. Feckwick.